Hello everyone. Today I will give you an overview of SmarterQueue, a savvy and easy to use social media management tool. This tool has many versatile features which makes it preferred by many digital marketers, entrepreneurs and businesses. It allows you to automate posting schedules using scheduling functionality, share evergreen content for old posts, gain insights into content engagement, trending topics and audiences via analytics. It can also be integrated with different social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and many others. Now let's deep dive into SmarterQueue tool. If you're new to SmarterQueue, you can get started by signing up to the free 15-day trial period using a Twitter or Facebook account. You can also sign up using your work email account. If you already have an account, you can click on to any of your social profiles that you have an account with. As you see, currently the tool is in the trial period. The trial period will assist you to gain hands-on experience with this intelligent tool. Once the trial period is over, you can upgrade to any of the suitable plans shown below. You can choose between agency, business, solo or custom, suiting to your business need. Now let's start by exploring each features of SmarterQueue in detail. Now let's explore Create a Post feature in detail. Create a Post feature allows you to create a post to a single or multiple social profile. You can start by selecting a suitable category for this post. Now select the social profiles that you wish to post the content. You can select a single social profile or multiple social profile. Next is to add the relevant content. It can be common to all the profiles or tailor to each social profile. Next is to select a suitable media for your content. You can upload an image, upload a video, paste from a URL, design with Canva, search free images, or select the existing images from My Media. Now I'm selecting upload an image. Select the relevant file and click on open. Now the image is being uploaded. The right pane will provide you a preview of the content that you will be posting. Next is to type in a suitable title for your video post or Pinterest post. Post timings. Now you can explore post timings. You can utilize the 4 features available. Post Now will publish this post immediately. Add to Queue will allow you to publish the queue in the order using the timing mentioned in the posting plan. You can either add the content to the top of the queue or to the bottom of the queue. If you wish to recycle the content, click on Recycle after posting. Next is Schedule. You can manually set one or more dates and time. You can add in multiple dates and change the time zone suiting to your target audience. Recurring is similar to Schedule, just that you need to select the suitable intervals in days, weeks or years. If you wish to expire this post, you can click on Expire being posted after n number of times. Now you can post the content as save as draft or save it directly to the queue. Now the post has been added to the bottom of the queue. Find Content feature allows you to curate posts from other blogs, website or from your preferred social media profile. You can use free images and GIFs available in the tool for your content. Now let's deep dive into this feature, starting with Discover Content. This allows you to discover useful content available from other blogs or website for posting. All you need to do is browse to the relevant website and enter a URL. Curate the post is similar to share posts from other blogs. All you need to type in is the hashtags or keyword of the content that you wish. Select the relevant post and add it to the queue for posting. Next is Discover Free Images and GIFs. Type in a relevant keyword and select the suitable image. Now you can share the content to a social media profile. Import Feedly bookmarks allows you to quickly import and save your favorite Feedly bookmark. Now next is Share Your Content feature allows you to share your own blog post. Do is to place the website URL in the search bar similar to share posts from other blogs and select your preferred content and share. Also you can reshare your best post by selecting the relevant Facebook page and click on share. You can like or comment. Next is Bulk Upload. Bulk Upload allows you to upload multiple posts into many social profiles all at once. All you need to do is download a template, update the information in the Excel sheet under the respective headlines, and upload as CSV file. The content mentioned in the Excel will be automatically queued to the bulk importer. You can toggle for evergreen content. Now let's navigate to the Queue tab, which is similar to the mail inbox. Queue tab helps you to find content that are scheduled for posting. As you can see, there are different subtabs and these are self-explanatory. Queue provides you a view of scheduled posts which are in list, week or monthly format. Draft contains the posts that are in draft mode. Trash, the ones which has been deleted. Failed contains posts that has been failed from queuing. Queues, the posts that has not been queued yet. Hidden are the posts that has been hidden from the queue. And past posts provides you with the insight of the past post that has been already shared with the customer. You can view the number of likes, shares, comments, impression and unique. Bulk trash post will remove all the posts that is listed in the queue. You can just click on trash queued post. Next is shuffle, will allow you to shuffle all the posts which has been queued. And pause queue, you can bulk pause all the posts that has been queued all at once. Now let's deep dive into analytics. Analytics provide an insight on customer engagement data for your post on each social profile. Metrics include number of posts, likes, comments, shares, and other useful information to evaluate the overall performance of the posts. This way, your data will help you design an effective social media strategy for your next marketing campaigns. For instance, past post. Past post will show you the percentage of posts, likes, tweets, comments, shares, impressions and received for a specific period. As you see, you just need to select from any of your social profiles, select the relevant time period and click on update. You will now receive a summary of the post based on the category. Similarly, weekly stats provides you with the weekly data. Likewise, whilst monthly stats provide you with the monthly data for each social profile. Next is Analyze Social Profiles. Analyze Social Profiles help you to receive a holistic view based on each social platform. All you need to do is select a relevant platform, select the relevant page, select a suitable date range and click on Analyze. This way you'll receive an overview of post links, images, videos, hashtags, publishers post, engagement by content, which means whether you have received likes based on the maximum image or without the image, engagement by content. You can see the likes received based on image, text or link and many more. Next is Instagram Top 9. This way you can discover and share your top 9 Instagram posts for a particular year and reshare the content. Next, Review Duplicate Tool. This tool allows you to review your duplicate. It scans any tweet you have received in your queue that show up as duplicate. If you leave them in the queue and don't modify them, they will be reposted as a Next is Export as CSV. As you see, in Advanced Analytics, you can download the .csv file for further analysis. If you would like to utilize this feature after the trial period, you need to select a plan with Advanced Analytics. This plan provides you to view the content for each period. This version allows you to view the content for each business plan. In the nutshell, as mentioned earlier, analytics provides you with useful information that will help you design better social strategy. Now let's navigate to the categories features. Categories allows you to align your contents to a specific theme. You can choose between the default categories mentioned here or add a new category. The default categories are articles, inspiration, on-blog post, questions, self-promotion and tips. Now let's look into how to add a new category. To add a new category, you can enter a relevant name. You can choose a preferred color. You can assign a social profile for this category. You can assign these profiles by default. You can choose a seasonal category. You can keep it as always active or keep it as seasonal. You can assign a date range. If you wish to pause a category, you can click on the settings link. If you wish to pause a category, click on the settings link. It will redirect you to the pause preferences in the settings page. There are two options. If you want to stop all RSS feeds from importing automatically, you can click on Pause All Auto Imports. If you do not want to publish any of the queued posts, you can also pause by clicking on Pause All Publishing. Or if you wish to pause only a specific categories, you can click on the specific categories. Next is post in this category. You can see the number of one-time posts, evergreen posts and published posts. So this is all about categories. Moving on to the next feature is to schedule a content in the posting plan. Any digital marketer need to plan their social strategy and post much in advance. Now let's see how we can plan a time slot for each category. Firstly, select a suitable category. Next, select a preferred social profile. Drag the category onto the posting plan. Now schedule the article to the best posting time of the week. This way the posting plan is updated. Likewise, another way to add a click directly onto the available time slot. Select the suitable category, the day and time, and click on save. Now you can see the number of time slot that has been occupied for each day. Also there is a mini tab from the available list item for each category and social profile. This way you can plan your best posting time, and SmarterQueue will auto-publish the content for you. Create a profile allows you to integrate the tool with various social media platforms that you would like to manage. You can establish connection with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, and Bitly. As you can see, you can either add a page or a group or a profile. For example, if you're using Facebook, you can add a business page by selecting the profile that you would like to connect. Now, as you can see, the Facebook page is connected. Note that you can add up to a maximum of 25 social profiles with SmarterQueue. Now let's move into the latest feature available with SmarterQueue, that is Engage. Engage allows you to interact in real time with your followers of Twitter and Facebook social profile. You can tweet, like, message your followers, or share the content found in any website or blogs using a keyword or a URL. All you need to do is click onto the search bar and select any of your social profile which is in Twitter or that you wish to engage. Now you can see all the recent posts will be populated onto the page. You can engage with the respective post. You can comment, or you can like or share the photo and full post to the content, or you just need to type a relevant and select on a relevant page. You will get all the latest posts available in that particular website. You can share a photo link or photo with link, or share the full post. You can comment or like, or you can also fetch posts from different blogs. You can save the source, and on the left pane Facebook page will be added. This way, with Engage, you can establish an active connection with your followers and maximize your customer engagement. Now let's explore the last feature of SmarterQueue in detail. That is Social Inbox. Social Inbox allows you to connect with your Twitter and Facebook social profiles and gain direct access to the inbox messages. You can respond to these direct messages, resolve queries promptly, thus providing a quick and effective service to your customers. You can get started by adding your social profile from Facebook or Twitter. Now you can view, organize by all the messages from all the profiles added, or narrow your view to a single profile. Whenever a new message hits the inbox, there will be a red icon in the inbox indicating the count of the new messages. Likewise, you can view and send responses to all the messages reaching from different social profiles into a unified box. To conclude, the advantage of Social Inbox is that you can view and send responses to all the messages reaching from the selected social profiles of Facebook and Twitter to make your life easier. So now that's all about available features of SmarterQueue. Now that you have a better understanding of SmarterQueue, a versatile social media management tool that I recommend you to use, you can utilize all the powerful features in designing an efficient social media strategy to develop your business. This way you can render efficient service to your customers and gain maximum following. Thank you for watching.